that the capsule was seeds. Seeds that did not have barcodes. Hello everyone. I am going to share something with you today that when I'm not on camera, I actually discuss this with various people. The importance of not only growing food, but harvesting your seeds. You saw before that I put together a seed collection. I have my seeds all organized. And it was a small booklet, and I began to realize that I needed something much larger. And even though I've transferred it to something much larger, I actually need something larger than that. So I have a seed booklet going. You will see that in this video. But my main reason for making this video is I want you to understand the importance of having your own seeds. A movie that I am going to share in this description, or if you read in the comments, I'll also put it there. A movie I watched that was so impactful back in 2022 that blew my mind. I'm not going to say the movie name out loud. You will only be able to get it in the comments as well as the description. It talked about taking this capsule, and they had this group of runners who took this capsule. They did not know what was inside of the capsule. They were willing to risk their lives to get this across the border. I'm not going to tell you the end of the movie, but let's just say that in that capsule, I'm about to do exactly what if my mom tells me that she saw a good movie, I say, stop right there. Because my mom will inevitably tell, well, you know what, let me tell you about the movie, because it's not going to be, it will be great. You will love it. So I'm not going to tell you the ending, but I will tell you that you later find out through this journey that the capsule was seeds. Seeds that did not have barcodes. And if you know anything about growing, and you know anything about people who have farms, somewhere down the line, someone was able to convince farmers that using their own seeds that they were harvesting was not good enough for them. And that they needed these other seeds that they could eradicate, like bugs eating their crops and things like that. That is why when you come here to my channel, I am showing you that I am growing things without using pesticides from the store and all of these other things to enhance the growth. I'm only growing with what I have on my land. Because if everything goes to heck in a handbasket, as I'm always talking to my mom about, guess what I'll be able to do? I have cultivated growing with what I have here. Concentrate on that. Please concentrate on that. But check this movie out. And I'm going to show you what my new seed revelation has morphed into. Y'all know I'm choosing joy. Just as important as planting and harvesting your fruits and vegetables, you should also let as many things as you can go to seed so that you will have your seeds for growing next year. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell others about this channel. Why? Because we're not only choosing joy, we're spreading joy as well.